Rebecca Halam, County Assembly Gender Committee Leader, County Commissioner, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's with great joy to gather here today and be graced with the presence of our children. The energy they have displayed in the entertainment is full of promise of their potential as they grow up, get education, and in pursuit of their goals and dreams. I am happy that the reason we're gathered here today is to launch Nyaribo County Children's Policy, which will help to protect and safeguard our young ones to ensure they realize their dreams. I'm very proud and honored to announce that this policy is a great milestone, as today Nyaribo becomes the second county in the entire country to launch children's policy after Kakamega. This is not a mini feat, and it's a clear indication of my dedication to put in place a legal framework that will safeguard the future generation. We are happy that the journey to develop the Nyaribo County Children Policy, which started in 2021, has culminated into today's launch, and the onus is now on my administration to fast-track its implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, the development of the child policy was necessitated by challenges they face, considering that form half of Nyaribo's population, according to the 2019 Kenya population census, there are 307,000 children aged between 0 and 19, out of the total population of 605. As a county, we realize that the child policy will enhance their rights for them to achieve their goals and the full potential as they grow. Some of the challenges this policy would address include teenage pregnancy, HIV infections among children and adolescents, and also child labor. We have noted with grave concern that there is a high number of children working in child brick making, stone breaking, tea farms instead of going to school. This policy offers a firm stand on child labor and provides for strong mechanism to ensure children get education to reduce school dropout. Another area of concern that the policy will address is child neglect, as we have many children who have been left in their care of elderly or sickly caregivers with little or no income. This has contributed to child labor and school dropouts. The issue of sexual and gender-based violence against children is strongly addressed in this policy. I encourage parents and guardians to join us in safeguarding the rights and the needs of children. Parents remain the first teachers of their children, as they spend most of the time with them. However, we get engaged in earning. They often get engaged in earning a living to be able to have time to or forget to take care of their emotional, spiritual, and social needs. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to affirm my commitment to ensure the implementation of the policy by my administration. We will work to develop and allocate resources to child welfare programs that will support vulnerable households in the county and strengthen existing programs that promote well-being of children, such as primary healthcare provision and early childhood education. As I conclude, I would like to take a moment to recognize and congratulate our young footballers, popularly known as Talanta Era. Nyaribo team for winning in the Nyanza South Region tournament. You have made us proud, and I wish you more success as you prepare for the nationals in December. Our youth have great talent that we must continue to nurture. I would like to appreciate all the partners who have walked this journey with us to ensure the actualization of this important document. My gratitude goes to Catholic Relief Services, which is usually referred as CRS, for their support in terms of developing the policy. I appreciate the support from USAID Poresha Jamii, USAID Nuru ya Mtoto, USAID Mwendo in investing in children, integrated development facility, and in optimizing Africa. Asanteni sana. It's now my singular duty to declare the Nyamira County Child Policy officially launched. Wengine mtachukua copies, kama ni shule mchukue kopi moja ndio mwende kusoma yale tumeandika. Lakini kufuatia hii sasa tutatengeneza bill ambayo itatoa specifics na specific fines, kwa sababu kazi yetu kwanza ni kutetea watoto, kwa sababu hatuwezi kuwa na kesho bila kunocha watoto yetu. Wale walikuwa huko hawako sasa. Sasa ni sisi tuko hapa, lazima tufanye jukumu letu, na tuko committed. Watoto mchisikie tunawakumbuka.